So the appliance IP allow list, when enabled, restricts, creates an allow list for IP addresses that can establish connections to EdgeConnect appliances using SSH, SNMP, and HTTP. So management protocols, inbound access to appliances. It is disabled by default. It is assigned on an appliance basis. You can configure it through the orchestrator for each appliance, but it can also be added to a template and put in a template group. It can also be set through pre-configuration, and there is a standard RESTful API associated with configuring this feature. Additionally, it can be enabled, disabled through RBAC. It's a strong security control, preventing unknown access, strengthening the management plane, etc., limiting the use of management controls for appliances for specific individuals and IPs. This will be an important capability for service providers who want to restrict and limit management access in certain ways, but still provide access to the EdgeConnect for their managed customers as well. And again, also interesting for larger enterprise customers, just to provide these additional, more simple, more straightforward, granular controls for the product. In the orchestrator, under the configuration tab, in the security section, you will see appliance IP allow list. It's appliance based, so you have to select an appliance to view and configure the feature. You can click on an appliance. You can then establish an IP and allow list. You can add up to 20 entries in the dialog box. So you can then either sort of /32 or /24. So you can do one IP address or a range of a /24 block only. So those are your two options. You can then also select which management protocols you want to limit, HTTP, SSH, or SNMP, or all three.
See that 169.254 IP entry? This access list completely locks down access to the HTTP interface. Really need to include a 169.254 entry, because if you need to get to management 1 for diagnostic or recovery purposes, you need that entry to be there.
It does require 960 or greater on both the orchestrator and the appliance. If you do attempt to configure it using a 9.6 orchestrator, but with an older version of ECOS, the orchestrator will give you a message that says that that appliance version is not compatible. If you're configuring it through templates or pre-config as an example, it'll just skip over those appliances.